If you can observe the problem here, there is a vector that is given as alpha that is equal to 4I plus 3j plus 5k, and beta that is given as I plus 2j minus of 4k, and beta 1 is parallel to alpha. So if I want to find the relation between beta 1 and alpha, I will write beta 1 is equal to lambda times of alpha, and that is the relation that you can find. So beta 1, I can write it as lambda times of alpha, that is equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 5 of a. So you will get the beta 1 vector as 4 lambda I cap plus 3 lambda j cap plus 5 lambda q cap. This is the vector that you will find for beta 1. Now, beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha, which means that if I want to write beta 2 dot of alpha, that is equal to 0. And where we will use this one? We will use same concept in this one. I will write beta is equal to beta 1 plus beta. I will dot product alpha into all the sides. You will say alpha vector into beta, that is alpha vector dot of beta 1 plus alpha vector dot of beta 2. And this alpha dot beta can be written as 4 into 1, that is equal to 4, 3 into 2, that is equal to 6, 5 into 4, that is equal to minus of 20. And here alpha into beta 1, that can be written as 4 into 4 lambda, that is equal to 16 lambda, and 3 into 3 lambda, that is equal to 9 lambda, 5 into 5 lambda, that is equal to 25 lambda. And here you will get the value as equal to 0. From both of sides, we will get 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 20, that is equal to minus of 10. And this value will be equal to 50 lambda. So the value of lambda that you will get, that is equal to minus of 1 by 5. The value of lambda that you are getting from here, that is equal to minus 1 by 5. Which means that if I want to write the vector b1 or beta 1, I will write as minus of 4 by 5 I cap minus of 3 by 5 j cap plus, or we can say minus of 1 k cap. This is the beta 1 vector that you will get. Now I just want to find the value of beta 2. I will write as beta 2 is equal to beta vector minus of beta 1. So beta vector is given as I cap plus 2 j cap minus of 4 k cap, and then you have to do the negative of minus of 4 by 5 I cap minus of 3 by 5 j cap minus of k cap, and you will get the relation as 1 minus minus plus, you will get the value as 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9 by 5 I cap minus minus plus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, you will get the value as 13 by 5 j cap plus minus minus plus 4 minus 4 plus 1, you will get the value as minus of 3 k cap. So this is the vector beta 2 that you will get. And you have to multiply, since here we have to multiply in 5, you will get the value as 9 I cap plus 13 j cap minus of 15 k cap, and then you have to multiply it with I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Just do the dot product and you will get the answer of this question. And that is equal to 9 plus 13 minus of, you will say that is equal to minus of 15. So 9 plus 3, 13, you will get the value as 22. 22 minus 5, that is 15, that is equal to 7. So the answer that you will get, that is equal to 7.